Today's term. Vocabulary vault. Meticulous. 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 Meaning. Showing great attention to detail, very careful and precise. Sentence. She is meticulous in her work and checks every detail before submitting it. Comment. Comment meticulous in your own sentence. Idiom. Break. Burn the midnight oil. Meaning. To stay up late working or studying. Sentence. She burned the midnight oil to finish her assignment on time. Question. Have you ever burned the midnight oil? Make sure to comment on all my questions in the comment section. Or email me at. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share to learn more. See you in my next video. Goodbye.